Do you sneeze many times a day? Well, don't panic. But before I tell you more, make sure to subscribe. Sneezing is a natural reflex that helps clear our nasal passages from irritants or allergic reactions. However, for one person, it turned into a never-ending challenge. Meet Caitlin Thornley, a courageous girl who sneezes up to 12,000 times a day. Can you imagine sneezing every few seconds? According to her doctors, Caitlin's condition is due to dog ticks. This condition has had a significant impact on her daily life, making even simple tasks difficult. Despite her condition, Caitlin remains positive and continues to live her life with resilience. Fascinating, right? If you love this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for the latest updates.